Good morning, first graders. I hope you had an amazing weekend, and we are here to start off a fresh new week of learning. I'll start with our morning message. Good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I hope you had a fun weekend and were able to get outside and enjoy the weather. Today, you get to begin a new week of learning. In science and writing, you will be learning about landforms. In reading, you will be taking some assessments, and in phonics, you will get to learn about the OU sound today, which makes the OW sound. In math, you will be learning about 3D shapes. Can't wait to see what you learn. Love, Miss Rimmeride. And before I move on to the greeting and sharing and activity, I want to remind you that today, if you see Mrs. Daler for English language learning, then you have class with her at 10:30 on WebEx. I also have office hours today from 11:30 to 12 if you want to come hang out with me or ask any questions. And lastly, you have art today with Mrs. Schwartz. That's not at a specific time. She's just going to post something in Seesaw and you can do it on your own time. Okay? Also, one more note. I will be with you this week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. However, I will be gone on Thursday and Friday because I'm getting married this week. So on Thursday and Friday, I will still post lessons for you in the morning, but I'm not going to be on WebEx at all, and I'm not going to be giving any feedback to your learning until I get back. So I'll be gone Thursday and Friday, and I'm also going to be gone on Monday, okay? So you will see me again on Tuesday, but again, I'm going to still be posting lessons every single day, except the weekends, even on the days that I'm technically gone, okay? So the only thing that's really going to change for you is I'm not going to be available to answer questions on Thursday, Friday, and Monday, and I'm not going to be able to respond to your work on Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So I'll have to get back to that stuff on Tuesday, okay? I'll remind you of that throughout the week as well. So your greeting this morning will be a fist bump, so find somebody that you can give a fist bump to. And then on our Seesaw post, comment below about how your weekend was. And before you start your learning, I want you to do 15 lunges. Have fun today, and I can't wait to see what you learn.